Hello guys, welcome back to Ulan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to customize Shopify product page. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So customizing your product page in Shopify is actually a pretty important thing here because in this case, in the product page, you'll be able to attract certain people depending on how you actually organize your product page. Now, in this case, how do we actually organize that, and what are the things that you should consider on updating here first before you actually update your product page? Now, first thing that we need to take in consideration here is you've set up your whole site first, because the product page itself is going to be automatically set up when you actually choose a theme for your store. Now, I would suggest you to follow any of the steps that will be available in the home screen here, like choosing a specific theme or setting up payment and a lot of those things. Now, in this case, what we need to do next is we need to basically add our products. So adding your products is pretty easy. Just click on the product section here at the left panel. And from here, you can go ahead and click on add products here, or basically edit one of your existing products. Now, in this case, there's going to be a few things that is required here. Like for example, I'm going to open up this shirt here. So this shirt has actually the few information that is required here, like a title, a description, the media for itself, the variants that I have. So we have blue, red, and black for this specific shirt. We also have the purchase option here. So we have pet food weekly subscription here, but I want to remove this one because this is not needed for this specific listing here. Just click on remove from plan. And from here, what we need to do is just fill out all necessary information that is needed. Also, one more thing is make sure the status of your product here is actually inactive so that you'll be able to actually view it. Now, in this case, once you've done that, added anything that is required here or what you need, just click on the save button at the top left here or top right here, and you should be able to basically save that. Now, in this case, once we added our product and we've successfully edited our product here, we want to basically edit our store. So typically what we need to do here is we need to go to online store here, and under themes, it should be able to show you the current theme here. So we want to customize our theme. So go ahead and click on customize. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to visit our product page. So typically, this is going to be the home page, the first thing that we'll be seeing here in the customization. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that I actually added here. So for us to view our product page, just click on the home page section here. It has the drop down button. Go ahead and click on that, and you want to go to product. And from here, you have the default product page here. So go ahead and click on that. Now, I just have to inform you that the product page here is actually unified. So meaning whatever you actually put on your product page here, or what other elements that you actually edit here, you'll be able to apply that to any product that you'll be visiting or you have here on your store. Like for example, I actually added this review star rating here, which is a plugin or an application that I actually installed. So they have a free plan here if you want to add this into your website. Now, in this case, maybe I want to add some certain aspects into it. For example, I want to add maybe a text. Just to give an example, I want to add a block here, and I want to add a text. Now, here the text I want to say this is going to be this is a sample. So I just want to say this is going to be a sample. So this is underneath the share option here. Now, once we've done that, we could go ahead and click on save at the top right here. And from here, you could go ahead and just basically start editing whatever you want to add here in this section. So usually, like for example, if you want to add like a specific block here for images, or even reposition some certain things, because depending on how you position things here, like for example, we have the text here, this section here. If you put this below the title here, it's going to appear just below the title. It's going to update that. So yeah, as you can see right now. So if you want to reverse that, make sure that you drag it at the very top. So yeah, so in this case, let's just save this one, and we want to go back and exit this, and we want to view our store. So let's just click on the online store here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to view a specific product. So we have your shirt here. So go ahead and click on that. And from here, when we scroll down a bit, as you can see, this is the sample section was visible. So that's the page that we need to edit if you want to edit or customize your product page. Again, depending on how you actually edit it or what you add there, what are the images that you proceed to add there, depends. But yeah, so those are the things or that you need to do to edit or customize your product page. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yulan app. Thank you for watching.